Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial security feature on Windows that can help protect your PC from sneaky malware and attacks. The feature is called Memory Integrity, and in this 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on. It's part of Windows Core Isolation, which acts like a shield for your system's memory, preventing unauthorized code from slipping in. This is especially important if you're using Windows 11 or later, as it boosts your overall security posture. First things first, make sure your Windows is up to date. Head over to Settings by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard. Once you're in Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security. That's usually on the left sidebar. If you're on an older version, it might be under Update and Security, but for 2025 builds, it's streamlined. Next, click on Windows Security to open up the Security Center. From there, go to Device Security on the left. You'll see an option for Core Isolation. Click on that and look for Memory Integrity. It might be toggled off by default. Simply switch it on and confirm any prompts that pop up. Windows will handle the rest, but it could take a minute to apply the changes. Now, a quick heads up. If Memory Integrity is grayed out or won't turn on, it could be due to incompatible drivers or hardware. In that case, check for Windows updates. Update your drivers via Device Manager, or visit the manufacturer's website for the latest versions. Once that's sorted, try enabling it again. Enabling memory integrity is a simple step that significantly enhances your PC's defenses against modern threats. It's like adding an extra lock to your digital door. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.